Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and showing you guys Titan's automatic watch. So before entering today's video, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. And make sure that you press the notification bell so you never miss out on any new future videos. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video.
Zombie apocalypse.
So this is the box of the watch, but if you want to see the review of this watch right here, which I'm wearing right now, you can just click on the I button above, and I'll give a link to that in the description box as well. So the box of this watch is right here. This box feels really premium, and as you guys can see, there is Titan automatic branding on top. So this is the watch, guys. As you guys can see here, it is nicely and neatly packed. I bought it from a store called Helios, and here are all the important things which you get with the watch. So this is the warranty card. You get a 2-year warranty with this watch, and with it you get a user manual, an instruction manual, and another user manual as well. So now let's talk about the watch. So this is the watch, guys, packed neatly and nicely on a cushion. And the first impression of this watch is absolutely stunning. As you guys can see, this watch is entirely made out of stainless steel, and it comes in a matte black color, and it has accents of rose gold and wood. And let me make this clear to you all, guys, that the wood is used in this watch is actual wood and not some sort of copy. So this is Titan's Grandmaster automatic watch, as I said. Now what's special about automatic watches? Two things. First, according to me, this watch looks stunning, and secondly, they don't need any sort of battery to work. So this watch weighs around 153 grams, and the price of this watch online is 20,495 rupees. So I'll provide a link to the buying websites in the description box below. So if you want, you can just check that out as well. Now there is a standby period on this watch which is about 36 hours. So once the spring on this watch is fully loaded, this watch will continuously work for 36 hours after you remove it from your hand. So like if you're wearing this watch after 2-3 days, then this watch might have stopped. So you just need to just reload the spring, and then you're good to go. So now let me just wear this watch, and if you want to watch the review of the Kenneth Cole watch, which I'm just wearing right now, you can just click on the I button above. So let me just wear it up and show you guys how it looks like in my hand especially. So yeah, this is how it looks like in my hand now. So this is one of my favorite watches ever, by the fact that it doesn't require any sort of battery to work. I love this watch. From my perspective, it is the best. And that was it for the video. If you enjoyed it, thank you very much for watching my video till end, and I'll see you in my next one. Up till then, take care, guys.